American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. You can call or text Joe Rubio at 954-639-1468. We're going to do a startup and a boom demonstration and a drive-on with our 2016 Ford F-550. This is a Versalift 40-foot material handler, a 45-foot working height, with, again, a material handler on there, 800-pound capacity winch. It is a articulating telescopic insulated boom. Does have two outriggers mounted behind the cab. This is a 6.7 liter Powerstroke, 169,000 miles, low miles for a diesel, fleet maintained, ice cold AC, very, very well kept in shape. You can see by the photos. I'll go in more detail on the truck. This truck's in well condition, not beat up, not destroyed, ready to go to work. Strong 6.7 liter Powerstroke, 4x4. Yes, it is 4x4. You do have a wire wheel there as well for pulling. Again, very nice truck, no rust, ready to go to work. Ice cold AC, interior is in immaculate shape. This truck's being sold by American Trucks and Equipment. We do offer financing, shipping, and export on this vehicle. Go ahead and start it up. Exhaust. This truck has no smoke, no misfire. Good tires. Again, ready to go to work. You have to do nothing to this vehicle. Call us at 954-639-1468. We offer very competitive financing for this vehicle, as low as 2 payments up front. Go ahead and switch to the PTO. Again, 4x4. Get here on this. 169,000 miles, no lights on the dash, ice cold AC, radio, 4x4 again, manual here. Very clean truck. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. 2 outriggers again. Again, 2016 Ford F-550, Versalift 45-foot material handler, articulating telescopic insulated boom. 167,000 miles, diesel turbo, low miles for that power stroker, 4x4, clean truck, ready to go to work. I do offer financing, shipping, and export on this vehicle. Show the tilt function of the basket. You also have the winch, as you can see, mounted, or material handler, excuse me, mounted to the side of that bucket there. It's 800-pound max capacity. This truck has an array of applications it can be used for. Tree industry, cable, fiber optic, sign. A lot of general purpose of this truck. Very clean truck, like I see in the photo. You'll hear the drive on this truck has been fully serviced, ready to go to work. Nothing you need to do but load up your tools, your crew, and go to work. If you're looking for additional trucks, or this is not the exact truck you're looking for, you're still looking at the right people. This is what we specialize in. Bucket trucks, dump trucks, any specialty truck, give us a call. Either we have it in stock, coming in stock, or we can get it readily available for you. The number to call is going to be listed below the screen. Joe Rubio at 954-639-1468. We also do speak Spanish. If you'd like to fly in and drive this home, that's possible with us. We're able to pick you up from Fort Lauderdale International Airport. Airport code is FLL. We'll pick you up from the airport, give you a 30-day temporary tag on this unit, and do the paperwork in the office. Very easy, painstaking-free, painless, very quick process. Application for financing takes about 2 to 3 days. We can get an answer within 24 hours of your original application. You'll be able to drive it in about 3 days, as long as everything's done correctly and within correct time manner. We won't do the typical dealership shotgun to you to a whole bunch of application or credit spots. We work with one company, and that one company only has been working with us exclusively for 7 years. If they can't get it done, no one else can get it, so we don't play around and mess with multiple finance sources. So when you do the application, do understand you're going to the right source, the right person. If they can do it, they'll get it done. Very competitive rates, like we said. We're seeing 2 payments up front. Half a point under subprime is generally the lowest APR. So any additional questions on that, you can give us a call, and we'll gladly assist you. And then shipping is very possible with this truck. We can ship this on a hot shot to your job site or doorstep. We work directly with the truckers, so there will be no broker in between. You'll get the best possible rates. We also add that in as a shipping charge to your finance application if you wanted to finance that too. That is very doable with us. Get you guys a picture of the inside of the bucket here. So it is pistol grip controlled. Again, you have the auxiliary, or the material handler mounted to the left. And it does extend out. Let it roll off.